family, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Genesis. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to the beauty family. If you're already part of the family, then welcome back, girl. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be giving you a tour of our master bedroom and our master bathroom. So if you want to see how everything looks, then definitely keep on watching. Oh, by the way, this is Damien. Hey guys, welcome to our master bedroom. This is how our master bedroom looks. We're gonna go ahead and get started. For our master closet, we actually did something a little bit different. Since you guys know, we do have a 1-year-old and we also have Damien here, which he is 1 month. We decided we want to kind of have them close with us for now until they get a little bit older. So in here, you guys want to come on in. This is pretty much their room. This is Damien's crib here and his little wall little arts that we put on here. On this side is Nicholas's chart for every time we like measure him for like his growth. Right here is just a little frame that I really thought it was cute. It says BU, and then down here you can see there's like a little elephant stool that goes great with that little picture frame. Now we move on over on this side. Here we just have some toys. This, I don't have it finished yet. I'm gonna buy more of these little baskets to put along in here so it won't look all like messy and whatnot. Here we put Nicholas's books. He loves books, you guys. He loves looking at them. He loves for us to read them. So we got some books here for him. This little basket I have here, it says blessed. Right here I have Damien's receiving blankets in here, and then we just have an air freshener so the room can smell nice. Here we just have some frames. They're not finished yet. We're actually ordering some art from Amazon that says "You Are My Sunshine." We're going to be putting that on those 2 frames. And if you turn this way, this is Nico's bed. He actually does sleep here and he likes sleeping on here. He's been doing really good. Ever since we bought it, it was pretty easy to transition him to the bed. So this is where he sleeps. Right here we have his little box where he puts all his toys in there. If you guys want to see. He has some toys. He mostly has all his toys downstairs because that's where we spend most of our time, downstairs. And here again, just some art. We have a little bit of little shelvings here, and we have some books here. Let's share. Good night, dear God. Hear me, dear God. And we have a little sign that says brave, and just little knickknacks on the shelvings. And again, just some little frames. And this works really, really well for like, it can work like as a nightlight because it's really bright. You want to turn it off during the day, and then at night, if your kid is scared, then you could turn it on. We don't really use it because Nico's pretty good. He's not really scared or anything as of yet. So yeah, this is pretty much their little room. We turned it into their room instead of a closet for now. So walking out, you guys, obviously this is our bed right here. Starting off, we have our nightstand here. This is my side right here. We have this lamp and this little like candle holder here. And as you guys can see, everything kind of goes, it all like goes cohesive, which I really love. And in here, this is my side again. I just have like a random nail. We have, I just have like little stuff. You know, gotta take them notes. I got my pens right here. That's just like kind of like miscellaneous drawer. On the second drawer, I have pretty much my underwears and my socks. I have all my underwears. We got these organizers on Amazon, so if you guys are interested. If you guys have any questions on any furniture, then let me know and I'll go ahead and let you guys know down there in the comment section. And here I pretty much just have like my sports bras, some fajas, and some goodies. Pretty much it for me. So coming along here, this is Damien's bassinet. Damien actually sleeps here. He doesn't sleep in there yet. I feel like he's too small. So he stays here in the bassinet with me. That way it's easy for me to reach over. And then this is our bed, you guys. This is, we have a queen size bed. I didn't want to get a big one because I feel like the room will look smaller. So I really like our bed. We put some mirrors up the top of the bed. And then this is Omar's nightstand. This is his side. So let's go ahead and see what he has in his drawers. So in his top drawers, he just has some of Nico's snacks. A pomada, a sports cream. He just has some little knives, some lamps, his glasses, a notebook, and a pen as well. His second drawer, he also has the organizers that I was telling you guys about. He has his boxers and his socks. These come in handy. You guys should definitely check those out. And in the drawer, he just has a mess. Everyone has a messy drawer, and I think this is his right here. And next to his nightstand, he has a lamp, just in case we hear some noise at night or we see a cucuy. We pull that out. And here, you guys, we have a pretty large mirror. This is where you can stand, you know, take some selfies, take some full body pictures, which I haven't, I don't know why. But this is the mirror here. Moving along, we call it like a little sitting area. We have two of them, obviously, for me and Omar. I did originally wanted to put a table here, but I like it like this. I feel like if I put too much stuff, it's gonna start looking crowded. So we just decided to put the two chairs and this little vase here with the sticks, just to give it some decoration. And then outside, obviously, we could just see out to our neighbors, or they can see us. So we have to be careful walking around naked. We gotta close the blinds. So just moving along on here, we have our little entertainment center. We have a little dresser here. We just have a little bit of wall art, and we have the sconces on the wall next to the TV, just because I felt like it was too plain without them. And then here we just have little knickknacks right here. I have to get some little candles for that. It's like a candle wooden tray. We have a candle here, a vase with some black flowers. We have pictures of me and Omar, and then just some more of those candle holders. And here we keep some clothes, obviously. This is my drawer here. So here I like to keep my bras. Again, this is from Amazon, and you just section your bras. And here I like to keep my PJs. So everything's just nice and folded. Moving along, this is Damien's clothes that fits him right now. So we have his newborn, and we have his 0 to 3 months, and we have his bibs, and then right there we have his socks and mittens. On this drawer, I have everything that's from 3 to 6 months, and then 6 to 9 months. That way I don't have to worry about where everything is. I just kind of organized it by how he is growing. That way I have easy access to it. Coming along, here is Omar's drawer. Here he has his sweatpants and his shorts, and then just some electronics, which is our chargers, our portable chargers, and some earphones and whatnot. This is Nico's drawer. Here he has clothes that fits him now, some pajamas and some swimwear. And I always like to keep these in the drawers, that way that the clothes smells good and it doesn't smell nasty. I like keeping those in between the clothes. And then here we just have papers, we have some Bibles, you know, just some random stuff as well. And then here in this opening, we put it, this is our master bathroom. We decided to put some curtains here because I felt like it looked weird just without nothing. We originally wanted to put a barn door, but the way that this room is kind of situated, we can't, because if we put a barn door, it will hit the entry doors. So we decided just to put some curtains, you know, for some privacy, in case you want some time alone. But yeah, coming along in here, we have some wall stuff on there, nothing crazy, something simple. And this is our master bathroom, you guys. Starting off here, this is just a little wall, obviously, where you put your towels. These are what you call the decorating towels. You do not use these, you do not touch these. These just are there to look pretty and nice. And this is just, again, some little wall art. And then here we have our chunde. That's what people call it. Yeah, this is for la ropa sucia. We decided to get this one. It's super convenient. It has 4 sections. So this is Omar's, mine, Nico's, and Damien. So it's super easy. I like to keep everything separated for the dirty clothes and the clean clothes. And then this is cool because you can just, you know, walk into the laundry room. Don't have to worry about picking anything up or anything like that. So we keep this here because we have no other place for it. Here we just have our shower. I mean, nothing special, just a shower. And then here is the bathtub, which the kids, oh, Nico likes it a lot. We haven't really put him in there as much, but he really does love the bathtub. He loves to make a mess, that's for sure. So right here is just a little basket. We put a little bit of towels for decoration. Again, you do not touch that. Little candle, and then on that side we have a candle with some bath bombs. And then just a mirror so you can look at yourself naked when you're showering or whatever the case may be. Now on this side, this is she and he sinks. This is my side right here. Obviously we have just our hand soap, a candle, air fresheners. These are a must for me because these keep your room smelling delicious, and candles are also a must for me if you guys haven't noticed. And then just here, these are pretend drawers, so these do not open. Down here is a little messy actually, but I pretty much just have all of our extra stuff, extra soaps, extra toothpaste, extra toothbrushes, all of our extra stuff that we have. This is where it goes. And then some of my tampons, you know, breast pads and hair stuff. And then here is just where I keep my perfumes, and I got a little tray and I just put my perfumes on there. And then this is a little towel holder. Again, this is all for looks. This is not to touch. Coming here, this is another fake drawer, but on the second one we have here. It's not super organized, but I mean, it's okay. We have the baby Q-tips there. We have our Q-tips, cotton pads, bandages, matches for my candles, hydrogen peroxide. We have our toothbrushes here because I don't like it to be displayed because I feel like it'll look too messy. I like it how it looks like this, nice and clean. And yeah, this drawer, pretty much my drawer. I have body sprays, which I like to use after I shower, especially at nighttime. I just spray something on. My extra razors, combs, nails, and those goodies. And the last drawer, we just have some towels for Damien and a robe. Pretty empty, that one. Moving along, this is Omar's side right here. Under here we do have our medicine, what we call our medicine area. We have pretty much any type of medicine. We have Norco, we have Xanax. I'm just kidding. No, we just have aspirin, ibuprofen, any of that. We have it there. And then here, this is Omar's side, his hair cutting stuff when he cuts his hair. And then of course a candle, because candles are a must. And this is just our medicine cabinet, I guess is what it's called. We just have my retainers up there, some of Omar's stuff. And yeah, pretty much just random stuff. Now here is where the magic happens, you guys. Welcome to our actual toilet room. So on this area here is just like the 2 cabinets, and I decided to put some little decorations on here so it wouldn't look just plain. So I just purchased some of these balls and put them on the tray. Candles, of course. Picture of me and Omar. And this was a candle, but ya se acabó. So now I just have the decor. And then just some stuff on the walls so the walls won't look plain as well. Now here on these two cabinets, we have our cleaning supplies. We have extra towels and our toilet papers and whatnot. So on this wall right here, I actually forgot to take this off. Sorry, don't judge me. But I have this little, I guess, rack you can say. I thought this was super unique. I haven't really seen this much, so I decided to purchase this for the bathroom, and I just got like little knickknacks to put it all together. I decided to go kind of like with the green succulent theme, so we have a couple of succulents here and there. So we have our planta, another succulent, some air fresheners, 2 of them, right, so it can smell nice. And then we have this little lamp. And then here, obviously, it's the toilet. I mean, nothing. And then right here, we keep our cleaning, like our broom and our mop, because we don't really have a home for it as of now. Last but not least, this is the timeout room. If you're bad, you go in here. I'm just kidding. This is pretty much my closet. It's kind of small, but I mean, it works. I don't really have a lot of clothes. I thought I had a lot of clothes, but I actually don't. I actually threw out a lot when we moved out. So this is what it looks like. Here I just have my t-shirts and my long sleeves. Here I have some purses and some shoes. I think I have more shoes than anything. Here I have more shoes. This side is my dresses and a couple of skirts. Down here I just have like dressy pants for work. Here I have a lot of wallets, more like clutch bags, fajas, leggings, shoes, and those are Bath and Body Works has sales. I kind of stock up for like the future of someone's birthday or whatever. Then I have a gift there. More shoes, and then on this side I have some throw-on sweaters that are good for the summer, some caminos. I got my wigs, and I don't even use, but I got some wigs, and then all my jeans right here and some belts. And then this right here, don't mind this. This is gonna be a video for a haul, so stay tuned for that. On this side, I have the boys' clothes that fits him right now. So this is like all Nico's dressy shirts, his sweaters, and then Damien's future shirts that are gonna be fitting him soon. And then here is a box of Nico's clothes that still doesn't fit him, that is still a little big. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see a tour of our living room, our kitchen, I said living room already, and our like studio makeup room, let me know in the comment section so I can keep making more of these videos so you guys can see how our house is looking. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking that red button down below to become part of the beauty family. And if you have any video suggestions, if you want to see more tour of the house, if you have questions about anything that I have in here, then definitely leave them down below so I can go ahead and answer for you guys. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.